The Himalayas. The very name evokes a sense of awe and wonder. These majestic mountains, reaching for the sky, have captivated explorers, adventurers, and dreamers for centuries. They are the roof of the world, home to the highest peaks on Earth, including the mighty Mount Everest. Stretching across several countries in Asia, the Himalayas are a sight to behold. Snow-capped peaks pierce the clouds, glaciers carve their way through valleys, and prayer flags flutter in the wind. The air is thin, the terrain is rugged, and the beauty is breathtaking. The Himalayas are more than just mountains. They are a living, breathing ecosystem, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. From snow leopards to blue poppies, the Himalayas are a treasure trove of natural wonders. Join me as we embark on a journey to discover the magic of the Himalayas, exploring their history, culture, and the adventures that await those who dare to venture into their embrace. The Himalayas have borne witness to the passage of time, their towering peaks standing as silent sentinels to the ebb and flow of history. Formed millions of years ago by the collision of tectonic plates, the Himalayas are a testament to the awesome power of nature. Over millennia, the Himalayas have played a pivotal role in shaping the cultures and civilizations that have flourished in their shadow. They have served as both a barrier and a bridge, influencing trade routes, migrations, and the exchange of ideas. Ancient trade routes, such as the Silk Road, snaked their way through treacherous mountain passes, connecting the East with the West. The Himalayas were also home to ancient kingdoms and empires, their legacies still visible in the ruins of forts, palaces, and monasteries that dot the landscape. From the earliest human settlements to the rise and fall of empires, the Himalayas have been a constant presence, their history interwoven with the stories of the people who have lived in their shadow for generations. The Himalayas have long been a magnet for adventurers and explorers, drawn by the allure of the unknown and the challenge of conquering these formidable peaks. From the early pioneers who dared to venture into these uncharted territories to the modern-day climbers who push the limits of human endurance, the Himalayas have inspired countless tales of courage, determination, and the triumph of the human spirit. One such tale is that of Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, the first climbers to successfully summit Mount Everest in 1953. Their extraordinary feat captured the imagination of the world, a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration. But the Himalayas offer more than just the challenge of mountaineering. Trekking through lush valleys, camping beneath a star-studded sky, and experiencing the warmth and hospitality of the local people are just some of the adventures that await those who venture into this magical realm. Whether you're an experienced mountaineer or a first-time trekker, the Himalayas offer an adventure for everyone. The Himalayas are home to a wealth of breathtaking destinations, each with its own unique charm and allure. Here are a few must-visit spots for any traveler venturing into this magical realm. Nepal, home to Mount Everest and several other of the world's highest peaks, is a trekker's paradise. Explore the ancient city of Kathmandu, trek to Everest Base Camp, or go whitewater rafting in the shadow of the Annapurna Range. Bhutan, known as the land of the Thunder Dragon, is a mystical kingdom steeped in Buddhist tradition. Visit ancient monasteries, witness colorful festivals, and trek through pristine forests. India, from the snow-capped peaks of Ladakh to the verdant valleys of Sikkim, the Indian Himalayas offer a diverse range of experiences. Visit the Dalai Lama's residence in Dharamsala, explore ancient temples, or go trekking in the Garhwal Himalayas. Pakistan, home to K2, the second highest mountain in the world, offers some of the most challenging and rewarding trekking routes in the Himalayas. Explore the Hunza Valley, visit the fairy meadows, or trek to the base camp of Nanga Parbat. These are just a few of the many incredible destinations that await you in the Himalayas, so pack your bags, lace up your boots, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Section 5, Himalayan How-To, Tips for First-Time Trekkers. Trekking in the Himalayas is an experience unlike any other, but it's important to be prepared. Here are a few tips for first-time trekkers. Get in shape. Trekking in the Himalayas can be physically demanding, so it's important to be in good physical condition before you go. Start training several months in advance, focusing on cardiovascular fitness and strength training. Pack light. You'll be carrying everything you need on your back, so it's essential to pack light. Bring only the essentials, including layers of clothing, sturdy hiking boots, a waterproof jacket, a hat, sunscreen, sunglasses, and a first aid kit. Acclimatize properly. Altitude sickness is a real risk in the Himalayas, so it's crucial to acclimatize properly. Ascend slowly, drink plenty of water, and avoid alcohol and caffeine. Respect the culture. The Himalayas are home to a rich and diverse culture. Dress modestly, be respectful of local customs, and ask permission before taking photos of people. Section 6. Fun facts about the Himalayas. Did you know? The Himalayas are home to the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest, which stands at a staggering 8,848.86 meters, or 29,031.7 feet above sea level. The Himalayas are still growing. The collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, which created the Himalayas millions of years ago, is still ongoing, causing the mountains to rise by about 5 millimeters, or 0.2 inches per year. The Himalayas are home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including snow leopards, red pandas, blue poppies, and rhododendrons. The Himalayas play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, acting as a barrier against cold air masses from the north and influencing monsoon patterns. The Himalayas are considered a sacred space by many cultures, home to numerous temples, monasteries, and pilgrimage sites. Section 7. The Himalayas and Spirituality, a Sacred Space. The Himalayas have long been revered as a sacred space, a place of pilgrimage and spiritual awakening. For centuries, seekers and sages have retreated to these mountains in search of enlightenment, drawn by the tranquility of the surroundings, and the belief that the thin air brings one closer to the heavens. The Himalayas are dotted with ancient temples, monasteries, and sacred sites that stand as testaments to the enduring power of faith. From the Buddhist monasteries of Nepal and Bhutan to the Hindu temples of the Indian Himalayas, these sacred spaces offer a glimpse into the spiritual heart of the region. Pilgrims from all over the world embark on arduous journeys to pay homage at these sacred sites, seeking blessings, purification, and a deeper connection with the divine. The Himalayas, with their towering peaks and serene atmosphere, provide a powerful backdrop for spiritual contemplation and self-discovery. Whether or not you subscribe to any particular faith, it's impossible not to be moved by the palpable sense of peace and serenity that pervades these sacred spaces. Section 8. Conservation, protecting the Himalayas for future generations. The Himalayas, despite their immense scale and grandeur, are a fragile ecosystem facing numerous threats, including climate change, deforestation, pollution, and unsustainable tourism. It's our collective responsibility to protect these majestic mountains for future generations. We can all do our part by supporting sustainable tourism practices, minimizing our environmental impact, and advocating for policies that protect the Himalayas. By working together, we can ensure that the Himalayas continue to inspire and awe future generations. Several organizations are dedicated to conserving the Himalayas. Consider supporting their efforts through donations or volunteering. Every little bit helps to protect this irreplaceable natural wonder. Remember, the choices we make today will determine the fate of the Himalayas for years to come. Section 9. Conclusion, the enduring majesty of the Himalayas. As our journey through the Himalayas draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. These majestic mountains, with their towering peaks, pristine valleys, and rich cultural heritage, are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. The Himalayas have captivated the human imagination for centuries, inspiring explorers, adventurers, and spiritual seekers alike. They are a place of extremes, where towering heights meet deep valleys, where ancient traditions coexist with modern influences, and where the human spirit is tested and ultimately uplifted. As we bid farewell to these majestic mountains, let us carry with us the lessons they teach us about resilience, the interconnectedness of all things, and the importance of protecting our planet's natural wonders. May the Himalayas continue to inspire and awe generations to come.